If you're looking to replace any of your home appliances, choosing energy and water efficient appliances can have a significant impact on the environment and your monthly budget. In this week's Tip Tuesday, Better Business Bureau has information on how and when to purchase green appliances. Assess your current energy use. Some older appliances are real energy guzzlers and could be costing you and the environment. Do some research on your current appliances. The United States Department of Energy's Appliance Energy Calculator can help you find out how much energy those models use and whether it's worthwhile to replace any of them with an energy efficient model. Review the appliance's Energy Guide label, which is that yellow governmental sticker found on new appliances. It estimates the annual energy use and operating cost. Energy Guide labels are ideal for directly comparing the energy use of a different appliance model when shopping in a store. Take advantage of them to choose the most efficient model for your home. And don't forget to look for the Energy Star labels. That label means it meets strict guidelines for energy savings by the Environmental Protection Agency. Only manufacturers that independently certify their products' performances are allowed to use it. Take advantage of tax rebates for energy efficient appliances. Ask your utility company and your salesperson if low interest loans, cash rebates, or other incentive programs are available for people who buy energy efficient products in your area. Recycle your old appliances safely. Retire old appliances that use excessive amounts of energy by recycling rather than donating them. The store where you purchase your energy efficient appliance may have a recycling program. If not, look for other options through the EPA's Responsible Appliance Disposal Program. If you need more information, visit bbb.org or give us a call at 800-828-5000.